up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button for your boy. And if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, I know it's been some time since I covered Lumen Technologies, ticker symbol LUMN, but we made a bag on this in the Discord. Everybody eats. Link is below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. Well, matter of fact, you know what? Quick rundown, real quick. Here's our Discord community. Everybody eats. Like I say, link is below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. But I believe where's that with Lumen? Everybody eat. Let's see, man. So we've been killing it. Shout out to Sunshine. Sunshine, one of our legacy traders, boy. When it come down to scalping, when it come down to sniping, she get in, she get up, she get out. You know what I mean? Everybody eating real good on her. Shout out. This right here is her on Oclo. What else she had going on, man? What's this right here? Same thing. Is that Oclo? I don't even know what ticket this is. Either way, like I say, man, but Lumen Technologies, where we at with it? Where we at? Amazon, we crushed Amazon on earnings. Nice no 190%, 250 January 16th call. Same thing, Amazon, another banger. We we eating. Phase crushing my girl Ed Reed, but at the same time, Palantir, QBTS paid her good, so she good money. Shout out to Tone, killing it over there. Tank, man, legacy traders over there. Palantir, we bodied that one as well. But where the Lumen call at? But at the same time, Palantir ate me up 2 times in a row. Twice in a row, Palantir ate me. So we post the wins, we post the losses. Look at that sunshine right there on Google earnings play. She told y'all better stop sleeping on Flacco Black. Thanks for the blessing. Iron sharpens iron. Nah, but how that saying go? Yeah, iron sharpens iron, and one hand wash the other, both wash the face. You know what I mean? NVTS, nice little execution right here. We grabbed 2 contracts of this back on October 10th around 480. Next thing you know, here they are, 848. And actually, that's on the pullback. So they still was up 83% after the pullback. Here we go, Lumen. 85 call, 1031, 420% since call out last week at 65 cents. And then we even had a Lumen $8 call, April 17, 2026. Up 150% since call out last week. And if I rewind to the actual call out, I don't even know where it's at. Matter of fact, right here, boom. $8 call, April 17, 2026. As you see, Lumen at the time was trading at $7.79. Boom. That was a call out on the option. And then after that, Murder She Wrote, off to the races, you know what I'm saying? So again, man, link below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat for the Discord community. Everybody eats. Now, here we are on the daily chart. And on the daily chart for Lumen Technologies, this thing is still holding up nice. And I'm going to slide this over. So let's slide over a bit. If you guys look right here, then you can already see that we had ran up nice. This is the whole run up. This is the call out around that time. Matter of fact, let's pull that up, man. Because as you can see right here, October 4th, 2025, just basically top of the month before we had that parabolic move on Lumen Technologies. I told the Discord community, Lumen may be time for leaps and more shares. This actually is in the general chat section, which is the free section. Well, it was free. Now it's $10 a month. If you want to get into the general chat section, catalyst boosters, watch list, things of that nature. But as you can see right here, this was before that breakout right there. So if we were to go back to the daily chart, like I say, you will see somewhere around here, October 4th, basically right in this zone is where we seen it. When we got above the royalty zone right there on the daily time frame, and we held that line in the sand around that 613, we were looking for a break and hold above 633 or maybe 636, if I'm not mistaken. Once we got that, actually we got the pop, we got the retest right here. This low on this wick right here on October 14th came down to 638. That's where we were ready to go ahead and get them $8 leaps and everything else, get shares, all that good stuff. Ran up. Now, once we ran up on this daily time frame, you guys see, let's zoom in a tad bit. You guys see right here on October 30th, the day of earnings, right there, they had that wick top right into a sniper fair value gap. If you guys are familiar with the channel or the table where everybody eats, then you know about the sniper fair value gap. Once we came down beneath that, we opened up the next day, we gapped down. We wicked up. We wicked right on top of this range right here, which is what I believe that's the $8.10 area. So we had a wick bottom at $8.10 right there is where we gapped down to. And then that same day we closed right beneath that 1045. This thing right here is gorgeous. Now, as you see, we popped up again on the daily time frame. And the last couple of days this week, the market has been weak and pulling back or being in, I guess you could say, a little chop. This thing on the daily time frame has held up after gapping down from earnings from this nice run up and holding the sniper fair value gap, holding the line in the sand right there of that $8.10 range. This thing looks good. Now we're currently holding above that 1045 for the last 3 days, trading in between that 1045 and the sniper fair value gap of $11.10. So 1045 to $11.10 is now a chop or a tight range of motion on Lumen Technologies. And then skipping over the 4 hour and the 2 hour time frame, so that way I don't hold you guys up. As you can see, we are now on the 1 hour time frame. Actually, you know what? Let's rewind real quick just to see how the 50 SMA is looking on the other time frames. 4 hour time frame, 50 SMA is still way down here, and it's not even rejecting any of our levels quite yet. We are holding up, like I say, quite well above at 1045. 2 hour time frame shows us really still holding at 1045, and we are slightly making higher lows, higher highs. So that looks good right about there. Now back to that 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, we are respecting the 50 SMA, but the 50 SMA is doing a slight little curl or a slight little curve right about here. So if we lose the 50 SMA and then lose 1045, then that's where I'll be chilling to see how price action is beneath 1045. But if we continue to hold 1045 and then we end up reclaiming that 1110 area and hold 1110, then that's where I'll consider getting some more longs on Lumen. But for right now, this thing is definitely looking good and definitely strong. Now going to the 30-minute time frame, we see slight little downtrend right now on the MACD as price has been going sideways and consolidating. On the 30-minute, we are rejecting at 1110 range at the bottom of the sniper fair value gap. And you also could see right here was a resistance, and then also right here was a resistance. So we need to maintain 1045, reclaim 1110, or even a 50 SMA, which right now is at 1106. And the 50 SMA is also slightly curving or curling right there around the bottom of that sniper fair value gap, which isn't that good of a sign. So that's what I have for you guys at Lumen Technologies. Again, keep in mind this thing is strong, and we just have to stay above 1045, or even ideally, if we were to draw up a quick little sniper fair value gap, we could see if price loses that 1045, if it maintains and hold above that 1024. So we still have basically 981 to 1024. Ideally, 1045 is what we would like to hold on ticker symbol LUMN. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Much love. We out.